that?
bad. Oh, Roomba.
Ah, that's good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, use a vacuum to vacuum your clothes together for travel and stuff. I like that.
Nice. Okay.
No! Okay, what are we doing with this? Okay.
Uh-huh.
That seems kind of also a waste. I don't have that many coat hangers, you know? I want to save them for my coats
Yeah. And then
instead of my food. Also, why not just put it on the top, like screw it on?
yeah, I also didn't get the idea.
Put your flour in the box, in the Tupperware.
Oh, okay.
Pour out your flour from the Tupperware.
And seal it well.
Yeah.
Oh, hang your
Nice shoe
shoes.
hanger, okay.
And
What do-
whoa. Oh, different ways to
Store your shoes, yeah.
Nice.
The favorite shoes go on the top. Hot glue. Okay, so we got the same application here, yeah.
Okay,
But just filmed differently, nice.
What is this? It's a
Ah, it's a jewelry box or a makeup box.
oh,
I don't know, maybe it's useful.
maybe.
I don't know.
Some
Ladies,
recycling.
tell us.
Yeah.
Would you use it? I think no.
Who knows? But okay. Oh, IKEA tables.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like a little workbench, movable workbench. Cork. Ooh, that's a lot of cork.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's some
To search your knife. Wow.
pretty good. Yeah.
Okay.
Messy tools.
Oh,
You can tell by how shaky my hands are.
I have 5 tools and I don't know where.
Get a pool noodle. Okay.
This small amount of tools. What's the problem?
You're like, I have so many tools. This is child's play.
Okay, my bad. Uh-huh.
Okay, a nice little organizer from IKEA.
Mhm.
I don't think it's a hack as much as a product. Organization Slinky. So it's basically when you become an adult and you get rid of all the fun stuff so that you can organize things.
Did you notice?
That was cool.
Wow. Uh-huh.
Extender
Extender.
for your bags. That would be a pain to take out all the time though. For the bag.
Yeah,
for the bag.
For the bag. Yeah, right.
So you have to take all the stuff
Yeah.
down and then take the bag out, replace the bag, put all the stuff in that. Not it. So you can hold 3 shirts in this. It's good if you only have 9 shirts.
It's so waste of
It's a bit of a waste.
space.
Yeah.
But
Not enough space? Bean bag! Store all your stuff in the bean bag.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and they will be.
Okay. Messy cables? No problem. Get a shopping cart.
And
Stick it to the bottom of your table, I guess.
yeah. Okay, that's good work, right? Okay,
Yeah, why not?
bad. Oh, Roomba.
Ah, that's good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Use a vacuum to vacuum your clothes together for travel and stuff.
Or
Transport.
just.
Yeah, but when you take it out of the vacuum seal, usually they're like all scrunched up and stuff, so you have to iron them, and it's a pain in the butt. So I tend to save my vacuuming for travel purposes.
Yeah. But if you storage, that's true. That's-
Oh, no,
so
my
many
poo noodles! Somebody put my poo noodles all messed up. Okay,
You had more.
yeah. Screw the suit that I'm gonna wear to tomorrow's work interview. I'm gonna use it for my poo noodles.
That's kind of clever.
Yeah, not too bad, I guess. I don't know. It's like
Yeah.
I don't know if it's efficient.
For your
5 Minute Crafts is full of things that it's like, it works. Yeah, it works. But like, should you do it? Probably not.
maybe not.
Okay, more hangers from folders, alright? Stop learning and use all your folders for hanging
Yeah.
kitchen appliances.
Organize your place.
Organize your plates before you organize your thoughts. Filing your taxes? No. I need to organize my plates.
Yep. It's much important. So,
Ooh, I miss CDs and DVDs.
yeah, but okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's good for people who sew and you know, what's it called? When you know what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah, I know.
What are
It
we
just
trying to
left
think
my
of?
brain.
What are we doing?
This
Yeah, you know what this is.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Weaving.
Wedding.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What
What
are
is
you
it?
doing?
What?
Why are you ruining your stuff like that? Ah. Okay. All right.
Smart idea.
Smart.
Smart.
Okay,
That
so we're
actually was
painting
best.
our pots.
Okay, can it removable? Wow. Nice.
Pretty good. All right. Oh no, I'm out of my stuff. What am I gonna do with this thing? I'm going to add toilet paper to it.
Yeah.
Wow, that all moved so fast.
Oh, it's different purpose. right?
Yeah,
Okay.
multi-purpose.
Mhm.
My binder thing is I'm going to
Oh.
use it as a hanger. That's cool. Good
That's
idea.
Nice. Nice.
Nice, nice. Okay, so we got this lid.
Uh-huh.
We're taking a. Ooh. It's a toothbrush holder.
But okay.
Wow. Okay, we're taking this
Mhm.
and what are we doing?
Oh,
It's a wire wrapper.
that's nice.
It's pretty good.
Just reuse your straw. To
Wire wrapper.
wire wrapper, right?
I already knew that one. That's like, come on.
Yeah.
Velcro. Come on.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if that'll hold very well. It depends on the strength of Velcro, but okay.
I think it could work. But
Okay, if you decide you hate tennis and you never want to play again after you lose to your father-in-law,
what? Okay, that's good.
okay, what are we doing here? We're making a shelf.
Shelf, alright.
Okay, ladder shelf.
Shoe.
Shoe rack. Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, nice.
If I ever have a shoe shop, that's what I'm doing. Not that I will. Probably won't.
Maybe not.
Okay. Cardboard circle. Glue. Ring. Glue.
Wow.
It's a
And
glue
another
cardboard sandwich.
But it's a
Ah.
oh, nice.
Little decorative pots. Nice. Ziploc bag for all your games. This is what my grandma did.
Uh-huh.
Not this. What is happening here?
Oh,
Ah.
to save some space around.
Pretty good, but then I don't know. It feels like it ruins the fun of taking out the game box for me, anyway.
But there is some sense of it.
Yeah.
But I understand where it's you know,
True. Yeah. If you're like storing it for a
Yeah.
season or something, yeah.
that's fine. Okay.
Okay, we're showing off a handy little
Ah.
little guy.
Yeah. Now you know what is this thing for.
Yeah. Oh no, my back! Ah! Okay. I don't know. That didn't seem that helpful to me, but all right.
No, it's definitely a hug, but you could.
I feel like you just use your brain and you're like, yeah.
Yeah. Am I stupid or what? Why you show me this?
Perfect fit. Okay, so we got some. Oh no, my cereal, not my Cheerios.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Teaching you how to tie a knot. 5-minute crafts, thank you.
No, they just showed you that you can lift some piece
know.
of them. Yeah, but
Still.
I understand, yeah.
Ooh, hot knife into a bottle.
Uh-huh.
It's kind of satisfying looking.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah,
It could
don't
be fun.
touch that right afterwards.
Okay.
Roll up this bad boy.
I
Stick
know.
it in.
Wow, and seal it.
That's cool.
Wow, no.
All right, so that the books can breathe.
No, it's just.
So that no one gets access to the forbidden knowledge. I don't. What was that point of that? Forbidden knowledge.
They just don't care about knowledge.
Yeah.
It's your files. Get out of here.
Files?
Your
Nah.
books. Let's
Nah.
lock it. And nobody will learn.
Yep. Okay, keep all your jewelry in ice trays, I guess.
I guess so.
I want to see a whole house completely made and organized out of 5-minute crafts, and how that person lives.
Yeah. Actually, maybe not the bad.
Maybe they're okay. You know, if they're fine with it, I'm fine with it. Whatever makes you happy.
Yeah. They save a lot of money on some interior
Absolutely.
thing
Yeah.
and drive Lamborghini.
Yeah. Yeah. Probably. Probably not.
You know.
Okay, we're
If
breaking up
it's your
this thing.
story, tell us. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, if you guys have a Lamborghini and also use 5 Minute Crafts, let us know in the comments below.
Maybe we don't know something. Yeah.
Add an extra little storage unit to your fridge. Wow,
Okay.
give us more!
More reactions.
We want all them reactions up in here.
Yeah.